ते त्याच्यामध्ये पोटू येत नाही.
त्याच्या उन्हात छत्री नको.
You may speak.
From the customs and the medical examination, Ali managed to take Muhammad and Baidul onto the ship. On the ship, luckily, one cabin was available for all the three of them. So Ali was very happy about it. Ali took them to the cabin and asked Baidul to look after Muhammad. In the meantime, Ali will go and see to the baggage. After a while, Baidul left the cabin to go and see the fun outside. After Baidul, Muhammad also left. Muhammad, ठीक है ना? ठीक है. Muhammad also left the cabin and went out. And Muhammad went on the main deck. And there, in front of all the people moving about, he started fiddling. All the crowd got excited. The captain was sent for. ठीक है ना? ठीक है. The captain came along, and in the meantime, Adi and Baidul also came, and the captain was very furious, and he told Adi, unless and until Muhammad is taken out of the ship, he shall not move the ship out. It was a job for Adi, and it was only with Baba's grace that Adi managed to induce the captain only on one condition, that Muhammad will not be out of the cabin. ठीक है? And so, like that, Muhammad was put in the room and he was not out of the cabin, and Baba's mission was fulfilled and Muhammad was taken to France, and Baba was very happy to reach. Dada, ठीक है ना? ठीक है. जय बाबा. फ्रान्सला गेला होता फ्रान्सला. बोला फ्रान्सला गेलो होता. He is now very anxious to have his food. So he is getting up, going. There he's gone right into the room, and Sidhuji will go, get his plate and get his food for him to eat. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba, everybody.
And here is our worthy Padri. He is in charge of this estate since 1923. And he's been a stalwart. We two were together at Manzil Amin. He was not my roommate, but he was the roommate of Nawal Talati. Am I right? And we had a very good time at Manzil Amin with Baba.
Yeah, remember how we used to get up at 4 o'clock and we were all dopey and we used to lean against the wall and just have a nap, you know. Yes. Yes, youngsters, all of us, you're raw recruits, all of us.
The program was to get up at 4 o'clock, 4 to 5 finish the bath, 5 to 6 meditation.
Meditation and prayers and
Prayer,
whatnot.
and then the tea, and then the games.
Yes.
7 times the cricket Baba used to play with us.
બસતા કા બેઠતા કા તમે બેસો છો કે બેસો છો બેસો 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 તમારા પોતું લઈએ હા હા તમે અહીંયા છો હા તમે આમે ખાલે કા in between I'll હા કા બદેવા પોતું 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 ગયા છે ને આપણે तुमच्या असायचं ना
आम खाने के ना आम खाएंगे.
Sidhu is telling him that you are going to eat mangoes now.
फिर चाहिए.
And chapat.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. यो हाँ.
बोलो बोलो.
मीठी बनाएंगे हाँ.
तुम इसके साथ बात करो ना तुम.
मीठी बनाएंगे हाँ. मीठी और उसमें शक्कर डालेंगे.
Sidhu is telling him, I'll give you tea. I'll make it sweet tea. And give me chapatis too. Muhammad is asking for chapatis. And cha. Mangoes. Cucumbers. I'd like to eat them all.
फिर बाहर बैठेंगे
खाताल कधी हो तुम्ही
काय
काय काकडी खाताल
हा
चा चा चा
च्या च्या च्या
चा चा
पे च्या च्या
cha
च्या
cha. That's right. I'll have my cha also. He says. Huh? कशी गंमत आली हा? ते कसं दिसतं तिकडे Sidhu says just show, just smile, just laugh. He's looking at something far in the fields.
अपन जाएंगे
Yes. He's in a very good mood now these days.
जाएंगे ना
Golpita. I'll go to Bombay. चला ना खाली चप्पल घालता he is gone to very चला चला काय करता आता now we have induced him to come down. Now you'll see his habit of picking up these things. काय हरकत नाही चालून द्या खुर्चीवरती बसता आता दिस बघता काय करता You see, he's always looking down below, you know. That's why he's bent down from his back. He doesn't look up. He might pick up anything from the ground. He takes a fancy for. And so Sidhu has said that I'll bring you a chair. And Sidhu has brought him a chair. And he'll sit down on the chair. That's right. कसं काय लागतं तेव्हा हवा Hawa means air, good wind, good cold wind, he says. तिकडे बघायचं ना दिसतं का चांगलं The whole thing? Sidhu just asked him whether he would like to go to France. He said, no. जरा तुम फिर सो बोला
हाँ तुम फ्रांस चलेंगे ना तोंडाने बोलायचं हाँ काही नाही म्हणा
नाही म्हणायचे
नहीं मना
हाँ
नको
No, he says, I don't want to go to France. That's why he nods his head, you know. When he says no, he just definitely nods his head.
यहाँ रहेंगे ना
इथे राहायचे का चालायचे का No, I don't want to go to France. I want to live here alone. I don't want.
ये बंगले में दादा के
Yeah, I'm happy. You see, when Baba had taken him to France, and the only country in the world, the only Western country in the world he knows of is France. So whenever he's in a good mood or we like to talk to him, you see, we ask him, would you like to go to France? So mostly not. He says no. But all of a sudden he might have an impulse and he says, I would like to go to France. Huh? France la jata ka? No. He says, no, I don't want to go to France. No. Sidhu is telling him that how is Baba's bungalow here? That's where we live. He says, oh yeah, that's excellent. I don't want to go anywhere. Baba's bungalow is the best. Baba Bangla? Baba's Bangla. Baba's bungalow is the best, he says. That's the greatest residence. तिकडे बघा ना तेव्हा तिकडे त्यांच्याकडे तोंडाकडे बघा ना ते काय सांगायचे त्यांना हॅलो म्हणून करा हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो
हॅलो हात करा ना असं वरती
हॅलो
हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो जय बाबा
हॅलो
जय बाबा
हॅलो अमेरिका हॅलो अमेरिका म्हणून सांग
अमेरिका हॅलो
हॅलो अमेरिका
अमेरिका हॅलो अमेरिका हॅलो हॅलो अमेरिका
हॅलो अमेरिका हॅलो अरविंद
अमेरिका
हॅलो अरविंद म्हणून सांगा
हेलो अरे
हॅलो अरविंद
हॅलो आर्मीन
आहे ना हॅलो हवी
heavy
हॅलो हवी
Hello, Javi. You see, you got to play with his moods. A must is a must. He's like a child, a grown-up child. You just got to please them. You shouldn't be flippant with them.
He's an advanced soul, isn't he?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. He is in the sixth plane, called the mental plane. Baba pushed him right from the third. I'm sorry, he's in the fifth plane. Baba pushed him right from the third, skipped the fourth, and pushed him in the fifth. He's in the mental plane. Sort of mental plane is almost is all pervading. Yet,
Conscious of his body.
no, he's conscious of his body. He is conscious of his body. He knows. He will remember you. You come after 5 years, you come after 10 years, he'll tell you that you took my picture and you were the one who took my picture. And this man was carrying a box. And I was just saying something into something black, something like that, you know. He won't forget a face. He knows very well. He definitely never forget a face. Oh yes. But not so Babji, the man also of the fifth. He was absolutely unconscious. His state is called Salik state. Well, Babji was Majzoob state. Both are the same, but there is only a difference in state. Well, we don't know what that is. Well, all the same, they are heading for perfection. Now, Sidhu is inducing Muhammad to come down here, you know. Well, Devji, chalo. Devji, chalo. Aao. Chalo, uto. Now, you see, that's what he does. He takes a fancy for anything, just a twig, a leaf, a stone, or anything. The Baba used to call them, these are my lovers. I love them and they love me. And indeed, he loved them tremendously. Tremendously. That's why his must trip, you know. Through plenty of ups and downs, he would contact a must any time during the day, you know. And you should have seen Muhammad when he used to see Baba. Oh yes, he called Baba Dada. Dada. Dada means an elder brother, Dada means a grandfather, or Dada even means father. So he used to call Dada. Dada, always Dada. So whenever these people come here and we say that he is going up the hill, he says Dada Samadhi, Dada Stoop. Masti. Mast is a man who is ecstatic, eternally ecstatic. Masti means ecstasy. Now this ecstasy always comes when the pilgrim is traveling the plains. He is lost to the world. He is lost to the world. That's why an ordinary man just thinks him mad, whereas he is not mad. Well, if somebody not in the know were to look at Muhammad, well, he would pass him out as mad, whereas he is really not. He is eternally happy. And you should see him when he was in company of Baba. He was extremely happy. Well, I just cannot explain. I just can't explain to you how happy he was. He's come out. He's willing. He is willing. Oh, he likes to be photographed. There he is. He's sitting on the chair now. तुम अभी है तो इसके साथ बोलो और मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलते रहूँगा. हाँ, that's Mohammed. Mohammed. Sidhu is telling me, is it good? You like being photographed? Yes, I like being photographed. I like being photographed. Maja. I enjoy being photographed. I enjoy it immensely. I'm happy. I'm happy on being photographed. काय नागरायला लागला? नागरायला लागला. The chap is plowing, he says. दुसरा काय करतोय तो? Narya. A man named Narya is plowing the fields, he says.
देखो भड़की देखती है भड़की. देखो.
When Muhammad was brought in 1936 for the first time in Rahuri, the first Mast ashram here, about 20 miles away from Ahmednagar, Muhammad was absolutely lost in the plains of wonderment, intense wonderment. He was rooted in one spot. He didn't want anything. He didn't want to eat. He wouldn't talk to anybody. He was in his mood, just lost. And from there, after contact with Baba, he was pushed up into the fifth. And he has regained his consciousness. He is Salik. You remember a man, if he sees him once, he will never forget a face. But all the same, he has got his moves. And when he was with Baba, he was tremendously happy to be with Baba. Well, when he worked with Baba, we don't know what it was in a closed room, but they were just closeted together. And after that time, after he came out from the work that is with Baba, he was intensely happy, intensely happy. You could see the glow on his face after the job was finished. And even now, he has got his moods. For months together, he wouldn't want anything to eat. He would lose his sleep. He would stand on for hours together or just sit. He would have no sleep at all. But then, all of a sudden, his mood might change. Then he would eat. He would sleep good. He would want things. He would enjoy a joke. But when in his mood, he wouldn't talk to anybody. Just anybody. I asked him, is it not true? He says, yes, it is indeed true. खरं ना खरी गोष्ट आहे काय खरं बोललो ना मी सगळं I asked him, have I not explained correctly? He says, yes, you have explained correctly.
True.
True. Yeah, true. I told him to speak, say true. So he says true. Right. Sometimes he gets shy also if he...
Fifth plane.
Fifth plane is the mental plane, where the soul is what Baba used to explain, that it's the mental plane, where duality still exists. And of course, the soul also enjoys, although in the plane of illusion, which Baba calls these planes are real illusion, while the world is false illusion. So although he is in the fifth, he is beyond danger, because he has skipped the fourth. The fourth means the plane of almighty powers, where a soul, where a pilgrim is liable to fall if he misuses his powers. But Muhammad is beyond that now. He just can't. You never do that today. He does to us. See what I mean? काय करतो देवा काय करतो तो पोतू ही इज टेकिंग माय पिक्चर्स आवडतं का तुम्हाला आवडतं डू यू लाईक इट येस आय डू लाईक इट आणखीन काय करायचं त्याला तुम्ही जाता का फ्रान्सला जाता नको राईट विल यू लाईक टू गो टू फ्रान्स नो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू आपल्याला इथेच असायचे का इथेच असायचे वुड यू लाईक टू रिमेन हिअर अलोन येस आय वुड लाईक टू रिमेन हिअर अलोन नोवेअर एल्स
In the early days, he wouldn't let any women around him. Didn't like when any women.
Well, those are his moods. You see. He would become furious with anybody if he didn't like it in the beginning, and the next second he would just calm down and he would call that person himself, and he would just apologize. I said, "Forgive me for getting angry with you." Well, then you got to answer him, yes. Yes, forgiven. And forgive is maafi.
No, explain Sidhu.
I mean, in relation to
Muhammad.
What did you say?
No, Sidhu. Explain about Sidhu and how he takes care of Muhammad. And was he appointed?
चलो
1936 में जब उसको मुंबई से लाए तो राहुरी में रखा गया राहुरी के पास
Now Sidhu is giving तुम्हारा बोले जाओ Sidhu is giving it the explanation when Muhammad came. Now here is the commentary about Muhammad. तुम चलने दो
राहुरी लाए और राहुरी के बाद
Muhammad was first brought in Rahuri in 1936. तुम्हारा चलने दो When Baba had established a mast ashram 20 miles from here. There were plenty of these masks, and one of them was Muhammad. He was brought from Bombay. In Bombay, he was in a place, there is a merchant locality, at somewhere near an intersection of 6 roads. He is really a Hindu, tum bole karo. He is really a Hindu, but these people there, the Bombay people, gave him the name of Muhammad. It's a very common name. Well, what's the difference between Muhammad or any name? So he was brought, chalne do. He was brought to Muhammad,
फिर भी उसी को
and
वही नाम
these
से चल रहे हैं।
people used to pester him.
वही नाम से हम लोग भी
These camps used to pester him for figures. There's gambling. Well, he used to give, he used to just chase them out or anything, you see. And in 36, in Rahuri, when he was kept,
उसके
Baba attended to him. After that,
यहाँ लाए
he was brought here in Mehrabad,
फिर हमको
and Sidhu was given the charge of looking after Muhammad.
खाना नहाना सब बातें उसकी करना
Sidhu was ordered by Baba that look, here is my man. You serve him would be equal to serving me. You look after all his needs, look after his foods, look after his clothes, his bathing, everything. It's everything you got to look after.
कभी कभी गाली गलौज किया मारने आया उसके लिए कुछ उसका मारने का कोशिश नहीं करना
Whatever he does to you, if he swears at you, spits at you, or beats you, just do not mind. Think that I am doing that.
हाँ कि मेरा काम है ये
Yes, it is I who is doing that, and it is my work. He might do anything. He is my lover.
दिल से
तुम-
उसका काम करना
तुम बोले जाओ.
मेरा मोहम्मद है वो तुम दिल से उसका काम करते जाओ
He is mine.
हमारी ड्यूटी है
He is mine. You see now Ed is talking to him and inducing him to say, speak Meher Baba ki jai.
Meher Baba ki jai.
मेरे बाबा की जय
Ah, he says Meher Baba ki jai. Yeah. You see, if he is in a good mood, he will talk. These musts have got typical moods. Well, we do not know why it is so. They might go off their foods and or they might eat 4 times a day or for days together they won't take anything, not even water. We just can't explain why. We just can't explain. A must is a must. They have their moods. And even now, Muhammad, you see, for days together won't eat anything. He's got to be in his Sidhu induces him. Sidhu induces him. Yes. Even then, he would just stand up for hours on end without sitting down. You tell him to sit down, he says no. He would just flare up. He would become angry, so to say. You just can't tell, you just can't order a must to do anything. You just got to maintain their tempers, you got to maintain their moods. That's what Baba enjoined. Never molest them, always please them. Don't take ill if they do anything bad or say fly at you, abuse you or anything. No. No, it is their moods. You should not. You may just crack jokes with them when they are in good mood. Yes, but don't be flippant with them. हाँ बगाय दिला काय दिले ये दिला काय Ed gave him a cigarette lighter and he says it's just like a plaything, you know. We will look at it for hours together, just like a child. One thing more, these musts always would obey 1 or 2 men from whom they would take their feed or they would be attended to. Sidhu attends to him. His wife Radha attends to him. Nobody dare touch his belongings or offer him food unless he asks it himself.
कधी कधी या गावातला कोणी मनुष्य मेला तर ते आम्हाला सांगायचे ते मेलेल्याचा खाना आम्हाला द्या आणि माझा खाना तुम्हाला द्या मेलेल्या माणसाचा खाना
Sometimes you see Sidhu is explaining, if there is a death in the village, there is always a sort of a community feast given to the mourners who come, and when he comes to know about it, Muhammad tells them, you give me that food and I'll give you mine. Chala. Sidhu is telling him, come on, show us your old room. Come on, chalo. Chalo means come on. Come on. चला तुम हाथ छोड़ दो हाँ चलो कने भागने दो भागने दो भागने दो now Muhammad is going नाना तू बाजूला होतोय पलीकडो that's how he walks you see he's being taken to his old room where he passed a number of years Hallo means slow. Walk slowly, Sidhu says. No, but he takes his steps, lively steps. He won't. Go that side. Deva. Mungle chawle nahi ka tumhala? Huh? Mungle? Tigre bagana? Tigre bagana? Mungle chawle. I asked him what happened here. He says, ants bit me. That's why I removed myself. Sidhu removed me to the bigger room in the big bungalow. Iti yeta ka parat? Iti gari kholit rehta ka? Noko? Would you like to come and stay in your old room? He says, no, I don't want it. Ma banglet rata? Banglet? Huh? Tigre? I'll stay there only. No, I won't come here now. I won't come here. Te काय करतो समोर नार्या काय करतो? हात करतो हात करून दाखवा ना ते हात करून दाखवा ना तुम्ही ते हाताने कुठे आहे तो नार्या कुठे मला नाही दिसत oh somebody is just harrowing the fields and he's pointing out that our fields are being harrowed and the man who does the job his name is Narya so he's saying that Narya is harrowing with a pair of bullocks and it is really so.
Padri, when Sidhu would attend to Mohammed,
yes.
how did he usually attend to him or any of the mosques? How did Baba instruct them to attend to the mosque?
Well, during Baba's time, you attended strictly to Baba's orders. Do this means do this. Do that means do that. Get a bucket of water means get a... That's the thing. That's the trouble, you see. Anduklag. That's the trouble, you see. Now, come on. Let's get out. Let's get out of here. Come on. You see, the ants pester. And during the monsoon time, these big ants, huge black ants, they tear up a man. And it did. Now you see, he picks up things. That's his habit. Now he'll keep on collecting. When he goes there, he'll just halt on the road. You see something? That's it. Another twig. Another twig. Come on. Yes, here he is going. Here he is going. Yala gotala sagla. Muhammad back in the new bungalow. See in his hands, he collected a piece of cardboard, a twig, a stone. Yes. Don't induce him to go. Let him go by himself. You just see what he does. He's dropped it. Finished. That job is done. That job is done. He does not need it anymore. Sidhu tells him to sit down on the chair again. And there he is. Back. Kasi gammat ali deva? Gammat ali na? Yes, it was an enjoyable walk, he says. Karana, it was an enjoyable walk. Mungla kute dasla. Where did the ant bite you? It bit me on the thigh. I just jumped.
Padri, you were going to tell us something how Mohammed is handled by Sidhu. Maybe Sidhu would like to say some things regarding how Baba instructed him to work with Mohammed.
No, it's not working with Muhammad, it is attending to his needs, you see. It is serving Muhammad. It is never work. Work is always by Baba, by the master, never by anybody else.
No one is ever present when Baba sits fits with
No,
the bus?
no, sir. No, sir. Baba would chase everybody out. Well, during the bath, yes, help Baba. During his food, just serve the plate. Out you go. Baba would feed the must by himself. Or the must might eat himself, we do not know.
Eat by
But sometimes we have seen Baba giving a morsel in his mouth, in the mouth of the mast. You see, a morsel or two Baba would give before us, and he would tell us, all right, out you go. And out we went, locked the door. And after the meal was finished, Baba would just clap his hands and we would come again. That's what it is. So, Sidhu was ordered to look after Muhammad. That was his work, that was his service, you see.
Yeah.
The real work was done between the master and the must, not Sidhu. Sidhu is a slave of the house, like me. It makes no difference. You see, he might order you. He might order you. He might order just anybody. You see? And you got to follow Baba's order to the letter. Feed him is feed him. You got to. Well, if he does not, you come and tell Baba that he refuses to take his meals. Then would Baba ask a question? Why? Is he not well? Or does he not want? Or is the food bad? Or what? He says, Baba, I don't understand. Everything is quite all right. Everything is quite all right, but he doesn't want to eat. All right, just don't worry about it. Just induce him again. If he eats, it's all right. If he eats, no, he doesn't smoke. He doesn't smoke. नाही तो ओढत नाही तो पिढी नाही ओढत कशाला नाही नको नको नाही पिता रही तो नहीं करने का No, he never smokes. He doesn't like smoking. He never chews tobacco. He never smokes. He has never smoked in his life here. That's all. Never. Never, never. Pito, era pito naika. So you see, it's the service of the mass. That's all. And during bathing time or feeding time or washing their clothes, the people around the mandali used to help Baba and strictly obeyed Baba to the letter. Never, in mandali, never gave bath to a mast as long as Baba was there. Only when Baba said, you give him a bath away from Baba's presence, then only that man had the privilege of giving him bath, like now what Sidhu does to Muhammad. Otherwise not. Nobody dare. Now even Muhammad's hair are being cropped by a barber. But when Baba used to work with these musts, Baba used to crop their hair. We had no privilege. We dare not touch musts. We just used to do what Baba ordered us. And that was obedience. We never used to do anything that was Baba's privilege. Never, never.
It seemed that a lot of people would approach these musts, though.
Yes, in India.
Many of the other
Yes, yes. They see in India people believe in this mass. They know. They just know that these people are enlightened souls. But what actually they are, we do not know, and that's what Baba had explained. The planes, the travels, the travail, their sufferings, their separations. And we know about them all. But a general belief in India, people respect these people. And since they think that they can, say, look into the future, they are, they can look into the future, they can just predict something. So these camps, gamblers and others come for numbers and they would like to bet on them. Well, these must never give them, but from their antiques, they deduce that what number it be there. Say, for example, that chap he has approached, or the master has abused that chap at 2 o'clock, or that master has laughed at 2 o'clock. He says, yes, number 2, figure 2 will come, something like that, you see. They have their own deductions. It may be true or it may not be true. These must never tell. They might. Well, you just cannot say. You just cannot say. They have their moods.
I know that I heard the story about how Mohammed knew about Baba dropping his body.
Yes, sir. That's right. You see, on the third Palgaon, I'm in Merazad, and I went away at about 5 o'clock, and after my departure, Muhammad asked Sidhu, where is Padri gone? So Sidhu says Padri is gone to Pipalgaon, and he is not coming for 8 days. He says, no, he'll be back tomorrow. And Baba will be like Gustaji. Now, Baba will be like Gustaji means Gustaji is dead. So, Baba will die. You can translate it that way. Then Sidhu said, what are you talking? Why are you talking foolish? He says, no, Padri will be back by tomorrow and Baba will become like Gustaji. And when Sidhu saw me back the next day by 5 o'clock, that is within 24 hours, he was astounded. I was running hither and thither, and he just stopped me on the way, and he said that yesterday when you had departed, Muhammad uttered these words. Well, I too was astounded. I really was astounded. Well, Sidhu was astounded when I came back and I told him what really had happened and that Baba had dropped his body, and so was everybody. Well, I started my work. Well, we didn't tell. तुमने से कहा गए?
हाँ कहा।
दादा गए कर।
हाँ दादा गए करके कहा।
हाँ
फिर बोला कि हाँ वो तो जाने के बोले अभी नहीं रहे।
Sidhu told him that Dada is gone. You see, Muhammad always call Baba as Dada. D-A-D-A, Dada. Dada means father, grandfather, eldest brother or something. It's a respectful term for any elder. So, Sidhu told him that Dada is gone. He says, yes, that was to happen. And Dada has gone. So he said the same thing about Don also. And he said that Don is liberated. That means he won't come back again. He is liberated from the cycles of births and deaths. May I speak, Almari? Now you see, same thing happened after he came to know about the death of Don. Sidhu told him that Donkin, Muhammad used to call Don Donkin. So Sidhu says that Donkin is gone. Chala Deva, I am telling Muhammad to come to his room. Sidhu is also telling him, come, let now see. He has seen something white, something glistening. He has gone to pick that up. He will never leave it. He'll just pick it up like a child and throw it away, probably before he steps on the veranda. He always does that. This habit still persists. Just like a child, he has nothing to do with it. He has picked up a pebble, thrown it away. Baba.
Alright, zoom in. This is Mohammed's room. Mohammed sitting on his bed. This is where Mohammed sleeps. And this is the room where Baba used to come and speak to the Mandali. There would be groups gathered together here. Of course, at that time, there was no living quarters here for Muhammad or for anyone. But now, it's all different. This is the chair where Baba used to sit. And now people come and pay their homage and respect to Baba in this room. The room has pictures of Baba on all walls. Sidhu is saying that there's Kawali, here, and there's all kinds of different things that occur from time to time. Padre, come in. Explain this room. Yeah, go ahead. This is Padre coming in his motorcycle.
Bike of mine, and these are my legs. This is my leg.
Padre said this is his legs, and this is his old bike. It still has a water-cooled engine for a motorcycle, and this is what he travels on. For how many years have you been traveling on this bike?
Huh?
For how many years have you been traveling on this bike?
I bought it new in 1949, and I think it's one of the a few last imported English bikes. It has served me well. It has done Baba's work plenty well, and this is the same bike I went to Mirazad on the 30th of January. Somehow or other, I just managed to reach there. On the way down, the lights conked out, but the bike did not, and I just went. I was just there on time. It's a lovely bike.
Tell us, Padre.
For me, it's lovely. Just lovely.
Tell us, has there been any incidents of Baba that occurred in this particular area right here?
Such as, he has given lectures in this hall, he has given audience in this hall, he has roamed around all these fields with the mandali. When these people come here, that's the door, and that's the main entrance. And on the door, you can see what Baba has said. It is written boldly on both the doors, the front and the rear. Those who lose their all in me find their all in me ever after. Meher Baba. You got to lose your all in. Well, you have finished the job for the present. Goodbye now. I'm going off to Naga now.
Jai Baba.